today. I wanted to get some practice with this drone. It's kind of cold out here, but seems to be doing fine. I've flown it. I flew it a while ago, got the first battery. It's down, but one thing I did do is I've got these. I bought these. They come off. Just twist on, just like this. These things are incredible. I was having a real problem with this thing landing and just setting down in the dirt with the rocks, and I was worried about the camera. So I got these, and they don't show up in the image, don't affect the flight. They're really worth it. I'll link these below, and you can see where to get them on Amazon. I just got them on Amazon. They're like, I think $7 or something like that, but well worth it. Fly through some farm equipment. Maybe as that sun starts to set a little lower, I'll get maybe some sunset stuff as it starts to not be so bright. This thing, it doesn't handle the bright light very well, so, and not a lot of options with the exposure, unless you're using a neutral density filter, which I don't have, so I'm just gonna have to go with what I got. So anyway, check out the footage and see kind of what I'm trying to learn to do with this thing. It's pretty handy. I really like it. I've enjoyed it a lot since I got it, so there you go.